HDS, sir. I got a package, people. Alright guys, I'm super excited about today's video because this is going to help me out a lot. See, my buddies Chris and Brandon over at Affordable Medical, located in West Columbia, South Carolina, on Sunset Boulevard, well, they really hooked me up today. Because let's just say what's in this box, well, it's going to put more pep in my step. Or maybe more soul in my roll. Nice packaging. I could probably repurpose this phone for some insulation and some enclosures. Or for a cushion. So what do we have here? So what do we have? We have lithium ion, 12 volt, 23 amp hour Dakota batteries. I'm going to put these in my wheelchair. Because by now, we all know that lithium ion batteries are the GOAT. At least till solid state or diamond batteries are mainstream. And of course, I got two of them. Because my wheelchair takes two batteries. Of course, I had to get a battery charger too because can't charge a lithium ion battery on a regular charger. So make sure you upgrade that if you upgrade your batteries. And each battery does come with an independent charger, but I'll be using this one to charge the whole chair up with the batteries in it. So my real struggle has been trying to decide which chair I want to put these batteries in. See, I got two chairs. I got a yard chair, what I use at home all the time. I don't mind how dirty it gets. I use it while I'm working. I get it wet. I get it grimy. And then I got a chair that I keep in the trunk of my car when I'm traveling. It's lighter weight. It's more portable. Comes apart in more pieces. So, it's a better traveling chair. The thing is the battery box, it still weighs about 30, 35 pounds. These batteries right here will cut that weight down by more than half to around 15 pounds. So naturally, that's the way I would think about going. It'd make it a lot easier for me to get the battery box out the chair at night to bring it inside and charge it. However, I should mention that even though this is not a paid ad, my buddies over at Affordable Medical, well, they sent me these for a reason. Because they really want me to test them out. And they know how I live, so they know how I put them to work. So with that said, for the meantime, I'm going to forego the luxury of having these in a travel chair. And I'll be using them in my home chair, my work chair, and see what they're really about. So let me go get that box so that we can get them in. Just in time. Just started raining. Okay. And as I said, it was out of my yard chair. And you can see, it's filthy. So I'm going to clean it up real quick. Got some Lysol wipes. Always got to keep that around when you got a possum running around the house. Ooh, man, that's filthy. Dirt road dust, sawdust, gunpowder, a little bit of everything on this bad boy. Gotta figure out what size screwdriver I need. Hopefully I got one long enough. Oh yeah. I don't know if these things are gonna dump out on the ground when I do it like this. About to find out. Might have one stuck. Huh, come on, baby. Boy, that thing was tight. I'm going to take these batteries out, put the new ones in. It might have been put on with a drill. I got this negative off already. See if I can get this joker out. That's going to be the challenge. That was challenging. Ooh, wow. That's quite a bit lighter. Better way to route this. Oh, it's a little better. Alright. In the usual fashion, the DJI camera died, overheated. So, I'm kind of fed up with it right now. I'm just going to record on my phone. I'm going to have to update my equipment soon. Probably going to go with some GoPros. I went with the DJI camera because I wanted the gimbal. And it's nice, it got really nice features, but it overheats, the battery dies really quick when you use the handset, the microphone. So, it's not really ideal. It does some footage, but I might have to get something else to be the main workhorse. Anyway, let's finish this batteries. Now, get this heavy joker out again without spilling that one out. That's going to be the challenge. Probably shouldn't be using a drill on these, but it is what it is. God, they're so much lighter. Right. Now they're nice and tight. Alright, the batteries are in. Now all I gotta do is charge them up, and I can begin the torture test. And just for a quick reference, one of these old batteries, probably a third of my body weight. Two of these new batteries inside the box, probably maybe a quarter of my body weight. So yeah, I'd say they're lighter. Yeah, that should be nice. I'm gonna definitely have to buy another set for my travel chair. I got the UPG charger plugged in. About to let them charge for a couple hours and begin that test. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. I look forward to testing these batteries out. I look forward to seeing what these things can do out here on the Oasis in this crazy terrain I got. So anyway, I'll keep y'all updated. I'm going to be running these things outside, inside, in the hot weather, and the cold weather. So, we'll find out how good they are. But, they're lithium ion, so I already know they're going to be better than any battery I ever had before. Now I'm going to make sure I keep them charged properly and not discharge too much, not stay overcharged too much, and not stay on the charger too much. Well, other than that, we're going to see how they work out. Chris, Brandon, thanks for the hookup, as always. But yeah, if you want to put more pep in your step or soul in your roll, go over to AffordableMedicalUSA.com, send a message to Chris and Brandon, let them know what you're looking for, and tell them I sent you. You might just get the family discount. And before you know it, I'll be doing a project installing 10 lithium-ion batteries to power my whole house. Stay tuned for that in the future.